Hello and welcome back to Finology Ticker. I am Srishti Jain, Chief Product Officer of Ticker, and I'll be sharing a series of videos on how to use Ticker to pick great stock. 7 videos of this playlist is already out. We have discussed about screener, investors, sectors, fundamentals, etc. which can help you in stock picking. But what after that? It might be possible that you have selected few stocks which you want to add to your portfolio, but they are not in correct valuation right now. So, how to keep a track of those stocks? And there might be some stocks which you have already invested in and you want to track like how they are performing, what's their profit, what's their loss, which sectors you have invested in, etc. So, how to track it? Well, Ticker hai na? Ticker is a one-stop solution for you from stock picking to tracking your portfolio. Ticker has inbuilt watchlist tracker and portfolio analysis which can do all your work easily. Well, let's see. Visit ticker.finology.in, log into your account if you are not logged in. For the first time users, kindly do a sign up. Then click on your profile section in the top right corner. Here you can see the option of watchlist and portfolio. First, let's explore watchlist. In the watchlist section here, you can see companies you have added and the option to search the name of any company and add more. I already have 6 stocks in my watchlist. To add any new company, I can type the name in the search box and click on it to add. Let's add Titan in our watchlist. I will type it. It starts showing various companies starting from the word Titan. We are adding Titan Company Limited, so I will just click on it. After clicking, the page will get refreshed again and the company is then added in your watchlist. Here the Wi-Fi is a bit slow in this room, so it's taking a while to add. So now I have total 7 stocks in my watchlist. This is one way to add and maintain your watchlist. We will see one more method, but first let's explore the features of watchlist. For the companies added, we can see the current market price, market capitalization, days price change, 52-week high and low of the stock, the day high and day low of the stock, PE ratio and PB ratio. This information is sufficient to track any stock. If you want to further analyze any company, you can just do by simply clicking on the company name. Next, when you scroll down, you can see Watchlist Updates section. Here we have 5 types of update for you to track. Reports, 52-week high and low, BSE announcement, block deal and bulk deal. In the reports section, you get updates on any new reports added on your watchlist stocks. Like for my companies, new con call, presentation, research and credit reports have been added. I can directly access them here by clicking and track the stocks further. In the 52-week high-low section, you get updates whether any of your company has recently hit the 52-week high or low price. This helps you to track its price movements. Like in my watchlist, Reliance Industries recently hit its 52-week high price. We can also see if there is any announcement done by BSE related to our watchlist stocks. Next, we have a section to check the bulk deals and block deals in the stocks. It is important to track the bulk and block deal because it shows where the big people or big volume is investing. For our stocks, we can see details of who bought the following stocks and sold at what price. All these updates summarize our stocks and make tracking easy. Now, going back to the table, we can see an action column at the last. From here, you can delete any stock from your watchlist or add it in your portfolio section. To delete, click on delete option and then choose yes on the pop-up for confirmation. You can also add any stock again after deleting. If you buy any of these stocks and want to add them in your portfolio, then choose add to portfolio option. Enter the number of units you bought and at what price, then click on add and the stock is added in your portfolio. Let's add TCS in our portfolio as an example. Here I will click on manage button, then click on add to portfolio option. I bought 10 shares of TCS at an average price of 3,700 rupees on 10th January. As soon as I click on add, it takes me to the portfolio section. I have 7 stocks in my portfolio now, including TCS. This is portfolio dashboard. Here you can see your holdings and portfolio summary. Under holdings section, you can see your holdings which you have added in your portfolio and it will tell you your number of units of that stocks, what is the average price of buying, total invested value, current price and current value of your investment in that particular stock. Below the name of the stock, the sector from which the company belongs to will also be displayed. You can manage your holdings by clicking on this icon. If you bought more of the stocks, you can add, or if you sold, you can reduce the quantity or delete it entirely. Next, in the portfolio summary, you can see the amount invested and the current value of your portfolio, the profit you achieved, and the stock with highest profit and loss. Next, you can see summary of your holdings stock-wise, sector-wise, and market cap-wise. In holding allocation, it tells you how much percentage of your portfolio is invested in each stock. It helps in portfolio diversification. In sector allocation, it tells in which sector you have majorly invested in. For example, I am majorly invested in IT sector. This again helps in sector diversification. Under market cap allocation, you can see that in which type of companies your money is invested, such as large cap, mid cap, small cap, or micro cap. Large caps are considered safer but comparatively lesser returns, and small cap are considered risky but can deliver high returns. We also give insights related to portfolio and analyze your investment style based on the stocks added, which is available exclusively to Finology One members. Now, I told you that there's one more way from where we can add companies to our watchlist and portfolio. Let's see that. We can directly add any company to watchlist or portfolio while analyzing only from the company page itself. For example, if I go to Asian Paints company page and while analyzing, I think that it is a good company to add in my watchlist or portfolio, so I will click on this eye icon at the top right corner and then choose my option to add it in my watchlist or portfolio, and it's done. Quite easy, na? So this was all for today. Anyone can use Ticker's watchlist and portfolio feature for free. You can add up to 30 stocks in watchlist and up to 20 stocks in portfolio if you are a free user. But if you want to increase this limit, then subscribe to Finology One. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in understanding the portfolio and watchlist feature of Ticker. We will be adding more features in this section soon to help you track your stocks quickly. Tell us in the comment section on what features you want us to add in Ticker. Do like, share and subscribe to Finology Ticker for more such videos. Thank you.